Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm just going to take you through my daisy journal. So it is now finished. I'm absolutely loving it. I was going to add something to the front, but I think I am just going to leave it now. I've tried a few things and I just like it is. This is all sort of like collage with the daisy paper, and then I have put matte medium over the top for a nice protection on it and sewed around the edges. So I think it looks lovely, really nice. And we've got a nice fabric spine on there as well. The actual cover is 15.5 centimeters excuse me, or 6 inches, or the height is 8.5 inches, oopsie daisy, wrong way, or 21.5 centimeters. We have a spine which is 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters, and we have 3 signatures in it. And I just love it. I think it's a really lovely journal. It's not too stuffed with stuff, so you've still got lots of room to put things into it, and I love it. So we've got this beautiful yellow gingham bow to go on the front, lovely ribbon, and a nice eyelet closure there. So as we open it up, I popped a nice pocket in the front, nice fabric pocket, and in the pocket I've got some just little extra bits and pieces. Now this journal will be going into my Etsy shop, but it's just going to be have to be sent out into Europe. I can't do the rest of the world because it's just the post is just taking crazy times to be delivered, so this will be just sent to Europe. So what I have got in the pocket, I've got extra little bits. Now these are some of the bits that I had left over from making the journal. So I've got lots of little bits of ribbon. I don't think I put this one in it, so I thought just pop that one on there. We've got all the other little bits on there, so I thought I'll pop some of those on some cards, so you can have some of those as well. I also have little extra pieces here, so I've got a little ribbon bow, I've got a little ruffle, and then I've got some of the cheesecloth. So if you wanted to make some extra little bits, dingly danglies or something like that to put in there, you can, or you can just add to the pages. So these are all the bits, the colours that I actually added into the journal, what I've used. And on this little pocket here, I have got some fussy cut daisies here, which I've already fussy cut out for you. I have some little bulb pins just for your dingly danglies or whatever you'd like to do. I have got some little self-adhesive pearls and some little gems as well, so just in case you wanted to add some little extra pieces to the pages, so they can just all pop into this little pocket. And I thought that would be nice little extra to put in and pop on the front pocket. So let's pop all these together like that, and we shall pop them in there. Keep them all nice and safe. So this is the first page, so we have 3 signatures in here. So this is the first page. On the first page we've got this lovely little notebook on there, nice simple easy notebook in a little pocket, and you can see there's lots of room in the pockets as well for adding more things, so more of your little notes and things like that. So I'm just loving it. Nice bit of trim on there as well. We've got our little journaling cards. I did add a little bit of gesso to the back of some of the journaling cards because I just think it looks really nice. And you can write over the top of that. You can write over the top of gesso, no problem at all. So we've got a couple of little pockets there. Got a nice page here. Got a little side pocket, little corner pocket there with some tags in. We have one of our little concertina books popped into that pocket with a little belly band around it. Nice little bit of trim on here. We've got a pocket here, and then we have a corner pocket. So we've got one of our little waterfall notepads on there. So that's what we made in the last video. And then I have another little notebook in here. I just love it. And again, look, there's lots of room to put other pieces and bits and pieces in there. Now in the middle of the signatures I've added some little daisies with a little bit of cheesecloth on the back just to dingle dangle down, which I thought adds a nice little touch to that. I've got a little pocket here with a couple of little tags in. It's a nice little vellum pocket. We have a little tuck in here with one of our little writing papers, bit of trim. I've got a lovely belly band on here with a little notepad, so that just flips open, tucks in there. We have a little flip here, so you've got all this space to write on. You can write over the top of this quite easily, and a little pocket with a little tag in. Opens up, and then we've got a couple of little journaling spaces here, like that. Tuck in. I love this trim. I think it looks really, really lovely. A nice paper clip to tuck something under there. This side, it's a sort of like a hidden paper clip, this one. So we've got a little journaling space there. That just tucks in. Little pocket. So this is the next signature. So that's that signature. First one. And then this is the second signature. Lovely, lovely. Little notepad here, which is lovely. Little vellum pocket. 3 little pockets here. I think I did some of these on the videos anyway, didn't I? Another little notepad with a belly band there. A couple of pockets in the middle page, and then again we've got the lovely little daisies here hanging in the middle of the signature. Love it. I really, really do love this one. I think it's really nice. Beautiful spring colours as well. That's one of the little flaps that we made with the little pockets inside. We've got another piece of paper there to journal on. Flips over. Let's open that up. We've got the daisy little paper clip there. Little tuck. We've got another one of our little notes on there with the little journaling spots. Lots of places to write in and lots more room to pop stuff into as well. This is the third signature. We have a beautiful little notepad in there. It's a really nice sort of springy, sort of almost like a clean journal, if you know what I mean. I think it's really pretty. It's not too fussy, so it's not sort of like grungy. I just love it. Another little notepad there with a little paper clip on it. Little pocket there with a journaling card. I just love all these little pearls and bits of bling on there. We have an envelope there with a paper clip. Beautiful, so you can put all sorts of things into your envelope. We have the other little flip there with our little notebooks in. Turn it over, and this is the center of the last signature, and again we've got the lovely little daisies dangling down. We have 4 little pockets with little journaling cards in, which have been embellished with some ribbon. This is a paper clip for this side, so that says Daisy, and then we have a little journaling card on there, and that just tucks in. This is a little tuck spot in here, which I've got a paper clip in there. So I've tried to match it so they match up like that, and then we've got a little envelope on there which goes over that and into the pocket, and then we've got all of our waterfall notepads to pop in there, and a little paper clip as well. If I can pop that on, that clips onto there. Love it, absolutely love it. Little envelope there with a paper clip, and then on the back, this is what I showed you in the last video. We've got our lovely waterfall little notepads here, and this is just a little corner pocket on there, which I just love, and these just slip in lovely like that into the little pockets like this. I just love these. I think they're so lovely. I'll pop the link to the video if you didn't see how to make them. and that just goes in there, and that's the back. So there we go, guys. I love it, and that's what it looks like. Just gorgeous. So that is the flip through, so I hope you like it. I will be popping it onto my Etsy shop, so do take a look. I will add in a few little extra bits and pieces because I have so much stuff from Friday Freebies and all the things that I've made in my videos. I'm going to be making up some little packages and popping them on Etsy as well, but I will add in a few more to this one. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.